What is up, my friends? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be testing out another cleaning hack to see if we can remove gum from our clothing. What we're going to need for this is some rubbing alcohol, some duct tape, something to put some rubbing alcohol into, and then our dipper, which is going to be a good old-fashioned Q-tip. So let's see if this works, and at the end of our video I'll give it our rating. So I'm going to pour some of this rubbing alcohol into our little container here. Not a lot. Just enough to dip the end of this Q-tip in to get the end of the Q-tip all wet. And what we do is apply the rubbing alcohol to the gum. And what this is supposed to do is remove, I don't know if remove is the right word, but it's supposed to make all the sticky stuff in the gum basically go away. So we put the rubbing alcohol around, all around. Tell you what, let's get a little crazy. Let's just pour it directly on top there. There we go. We'll leave it on there for about 1 minute, 2 minutes. And then what we're supposed to do is be able to take our duct tape, put a piece of duct tape on top, pull the duct tape, rip it off, and the gum is supposed to come right off the shirt. All right, let's pull us off a little piece of tape here. About like that. Stick it on. Right like that. Boom. Wow. I'm impressed. Check it out. Came right off. Whole piece of gum, all and all. Fold that up, throw it in the trash. But look at that, guys. Not a speck of gum left. You can't even tell that there was gum stuck to this shirt. So I am super duper impressed. So how are we going to rate this? On a scale of do not try, indifferent, or yay, I'm going to have to give this cleaning hack a yay.